Hey everybody, welcome to another video and good morning from Palolem in Goa, India. I've been here for a few days. I'm in my beach hut right now. It's 950 Indian rupees a night, which is a little over 13 US dollars. Most I've paid so far here in Goa. But a pretty cool place right near the beach. But today I'm going to go to Agonda, which I've been before, but I'm going with some friends and I was going to show them how to take the bus. But I was going to show you guys as well. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and helps me out a lot. Go ahead and click it. I'll wait for you. So my water's boiling for my tea, so I'm just about ready to go. So here's my beach hut. I'll give a proper tour of it in another video, since this video is about taking the bus to Agonda, huh? Oh, you little rascal. You little rascal. Hello? Hello? Oh. So the beach is literally 30 seconds that way. Welcome to Goa. I think to get back to the main road I have to actually walk through this resort. Yoga, beach massage. Okay, here we are. Hidden garden. Over here, I think. No. Beautiful here in the morning. The sunrises are amazing. Although the sunsets are pretty good as well. No, this way, I think. Yeah. So a lot of the locals live in these kind of shacks here. And some of them are pretty nice inside, although they're basically just brick and bamboo with tarps around it. And of course you have these kind of Portuguese style houses, which are pretty cool. They're having some kind of party in here last night. They're everywhere. So here's my brunch. We have 80 rupee just banana juice, a little over $1. Banana pancake, 80 rupees. And then Goan salad for 70 rupees, which is about $1. And it's A bunch of cabbage, tomato, carrots, cucumber, cilantro. And then you put some salt and lime on it. It's pretty good. School bus. Agonda Beach where? Over here?
Agonda Beach?
Oh, I know where we're at. Thank you. So they just dropped us off at Agonda. It cost 20 rupees from Palolem.
Looks like it's going to be fun today. Today, we're sleeping. Amazing sunrise. Yeah.
Up.
I like this place. We have the river.
Yeah, it's cool.
Different.
You can take a boat trip up the river too. Hello. And I'm making a YouTube video also. So you guys may recognize this place. This is where my first beach hut was. So I'm back at my old hotel, Agonda Beach. We met some other friends on the bus here. There's nobody out here. There's 20 people on the entire beach, where Palolem is just totally packed. Are you loving it? I know, right?
Nice. I mean, let's progress.
Hello.
Very peaceful.
Yeah, it's like 2 or 3 times as long, and there's like a fraction of the people. Puppies. Puppies everywhere. Hi. Upper. Had somebody yell at me this morning for filming.
Why?
I was filming a school bus. It was just like a van. After you. So that's it, everybody, for my bus ride to Agonda. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.